What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at ARM stocks. So let's identify if this thing going to continue lower, or can this thing still pull itself up again. So we'll talk about a lot of the things, some of the plays that I have talked about, even though I didn't take those again, but I did talk about all those possibilities and how they have been working out, what they have to do with the price action. We'll talk about all of that in this video. With that, please note, none of this is any financial advice. This is only for education purposes. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. I'm only here providing just this as an educational content. I take guarantee of nothing, just my opinion and read on the market. Okay. So ARM. Now, what we have been seeing so far, let's talk about that first. So we have been seeing a over and over again rejection of the supply zone from 145 to 149. You can see this is where we formed the first wick, a sell-off, and then you can see we gap down massively, which tells us that this is an acting supply zone. And then every retest of the zone, and over here as well, has been sold off, right? Now, I took a play which I only took like maybe 50% of the profits, and then remaining just ran into my stop loss. Was when this broke the structure over here, and then in the rebound I shorted, but it didn't quite go all the way down. And I talked about it back then that not a problem. Yes, and there's a possibility back then I talked about. Okay, let's go to the hourly interval. And back then, I talked about the possibility that yes, this thing was turning itself bullish over here and has a chance, as if it breaks this level of 136, can retest again the top of the supply zone 148. And that's where it will reject again and will run back into this sell-off zone. And it has started to, since then, sell off again. And yes, ARM I even talked about over here that I might want to open up a short position in the rebounds. I didn't do that because my capital is logged in other stocks. Check out my videos if you want to know what other plays I have been taking. I cover all those information with you on my videos. And in advance, actually, I talk about those, all the plays before they even develop, okay? So you have to check out my videos if you want to be up to date. Now, we had the rejection here again in the rebound of 200 hours moving average, and we are continuously selling off. Now the question becomes, is it going to continue lower from here, or it has a room to go back up? Now let me take you to the weekly interval and things will get a lot clearer. So you can see on weekly interval that we are selling off, right? Not just double top. Yeah, this is a sort of double top, but what I'm trying to emphasize is that on the weekly interval, this supply zone has been acting so strongly. 149 and 145 cent. Oh, sorry, 145 to $149. So yeah, there is no coming out of it, guys, and that's where it has been constantly falling. It's not a bullish play as long as it's below $136. This is the area for that right over here. And yeah, this thing is bearish. This might do some rebounds here, maybe a little bit, and when it meets this 50 days moving average. But in my opinion, this will continue to reject 20 days moving average and head lower. Now, if you ask me, Junior Trader, is there a new play on this? Well, no. And when I say no, it's because existing play is already in play. And we talked about that. So let's talk about this. Okay, so the swing pot universal indicator. I'm just gonna adjust a couple of things on my indicator here, guys. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. I have two indicators, two trading bots, and Wall Street alerts. Links to all of those tools are in the description below of this video. Okay, so all these possibilities already worked out. I'm just gonna mark these areas. This was the long play, right? And then re-entry of it, we talked about it, is a short play, and this short play has been still ongoing. For me, I'm not gonna open this play, but as I have been saying, this thing, if you have seen my videos, you already know this 136 and below is a short play. And then there was this another entry opportunity in the rebound over here, and it has been rejecting that and falling lower. So going into this week, yes, it has a room to continue to fall. I will get a little bit careful. Look, nothing is guaranteed, right? And things may take its time before they go lower and or new price action would develop. But I would get a little bit careful if ARM gets above $131 again. That's when I will get careful. Otherwise, so far it is just a downside play, and next week 115 is possibility. Let's see if it loses that level, because it's been a range bound stock right now, right? So you have to trade according to the range as it's forming. But if we loses 115, that will open up the floodgates down to quite down. That will make us lose this 50 days moving average, and we might be heading lower to $79. Remember, now the insiders can, the IPO locked investors can sell as well. Okay, that has, the window has completed. Yeah, I just think there's just a lot more downside on the swing play continue. And then on 5 minutes, we can talk about if any intraday plays may develop. Because look, intradays are shorter term plays, so for a day or so, right? I would only play intraday long if it breaks over 126 and 51 cents. And if it continues to reject any of the levels below, then yeah, it is still a short play, especially the break of 124 and 26 cents is a flush play on this, is a flush zone on this. Okay. Okie dokie, guys. Well, that's it for ARM. I already talked about NVIDIA, AMD, SMCI, Broadcom in my other videos. Check those videos out on my channel. I'll do other videos as well today, some options analysis, tech stocks, and a lot more other videos are coming out. So definitely hit the like, subscribe, and with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye. Oh, well, guys, there's more. While we are here, I also want to show you my swing bot on ARM. Not bad, eh? On the left-hand side, you can see the performance of the bot, and this has been over the last 30 trades and been good profitable, you know. It's been good profitable for the last 30 trades, and here's your total. So again, look, the thing is that the way, you know, I use this bot is I use them for the buying signal, buying entry signal, but I sell out as well when the sell signal comes. That's the, you know, trailing stop loss or trailing take profit target, how you want to say it. But I take profits in the extensions as well for the maximum moves, and for that I do that manually, right? So nothing is stopping me to take profits manually. But just wanted to show you the bot as well. And all these, as I said, the tools access if you need them, links in the description below of this video. Just remember, I take guarantee of nothing. These tools are only there for education purposes, okay? All right, guys. With that, I'll see you in the next videos. Take care. Bye.